everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create bouncy text animation with After Effects, like this. Okay, here we are in After Effects. First, create a composition. I called it main, width 1920 and height 1080 pixels, frame rate 30, duration 5 seconds, background color black, and hit OK. Now create some text. Go to the text tool and simply type, jumping. Select the text and modify it according to your preference. Align text into the center. Now animate the text. Open the property of the text layer. Go to the animate position. And first delete the range selector one, we don't need this. Again, go to the add selector, wiggly, hit enter, and rename it wiggly. Now jump position and set the Y position around 1000. Now text looks like this. Open wiggly and move slider around 3 frame forward. Add keyframe on max amount 100 and minimum amount -100. Select both keyframes, set them at the beginning of the animation, and now set the max and minimum amounts to 0. Select both keyframes. Press F9 to ease them. Open a graph editor and make a graph like this. Now our animation looks like this. Now change some settings set based on characters to characters excluding spaces. Wiggles to 3. Random seed to 1. Go to the add selector, range. Open the range selector. Create keyframe on offset. Go to 1 frame forward. And set the offset to 100. Select both keyframes. Press F9 to ease them, it will make animation more dramatic. Select text layer pre-AA to minimize property. Check animation. Now apply effect on this. Go to the effect and presets tab and search for echo effect. Drag it text, and make a value like this, echo times 0.001, number of echoes 50. It will add depth to the text. Now apply the second effect, search for fill effect. Apply it and set the fill color to yellow. Now apply third effect. Search for CC composite effect. Apply it, it will make a composite of colors. Now apply fourth effect. Search for simple choker effect. Apply it and set choke matte to. It will choke the colors, like this. Now make this effect more interesting. Select the text layer and make a copy of this. Go to the effect controls tab and simply change the fill color from yellow to red. It will add more depth to this text like this. Now add motion blur to these 2 text layers. Now render this, it will take some time to render because this effect is very heavy. Now check the animation. Now apply the last effect, go to the layer, new, adjustment layer. And press enter to rename this, I called it glow. Go to the effect tab and search for glow effect. Apply it to the glow layer, set value like this. Glow threshold to 100, glow radius to 60. Glow intensity to 3. It will add some glow to this. Now final render this. Here we are done. Bouncy text animation with After Effects. After adding the music, your animation looks like this.